Forgotten username recovery failed on Synchrony Bank Fix. Getting locked out of your Synchrony Bank account because the username recovery isn't working can be incredibly frustrating. But here's the surprising truth: most of the time, it's not a system issue at all. It's a simple mismatch in the information you're submitting. Let's fix that step by step. Start by visiting Synchrony's login page and selecting Forgot Username. You'll be prompted to enter your account number, your social security number, and your date of birth. Every detail must match what's stored in Synchrony's system exactly. Even using an old address or a nickname can cause the recovery to fail. If you get a message saying we can't find your account, try again using the exact information you used when you first opened your account. For example, if you used your maiden name or a previous address, that's what you'll need to enter. If you're waiting for a recovery email that never arrives, check your spam or junk folder for messages from Synchrony Bank. Also, make sure your inbox isn't blocking emails from their domain. Another trick that often works is switching browsers or devices, especially if you're using autofill. Hashed or pre-filled data can cause errors that stop the recovery from completing. If the issue still isn't resolved, don't waste time retrying the form repeatedly. Synchrony's security system temporarily locks out multiple failed recovery attempts. Instead, hold a customer service at 1-866-419-4096. They can verify your identity and reset your username manually. Once you're back in your account, update your contact details and make sure your recovery email and phone number are correct. That one step prevents future login frustrations. So the next time your Synchrony Bank username recovery fails, remember it's not broken, it's just protecting your data. Follow these steps carefully and you'll regain access quickly and safely.